So first thing, what is inside an atom? Once again, what is it?
The subatomic particles.
Subatomic particles. Aniket, can you name the subatomic particles?
Proton, electrons, and neutrons.
Protons, electrons, and neutrons. Okay. What do you understand by nucleons?
Protons and neutrons.
Protons and
neutrons. Huh?
Neutrons. When I say nucleons is everything which is inside the nucleus. Okay, so together they're called as nucleons. Okay, so this part is clear. Protons, electrons. Ab mujhe ye batao, what is the charge on a proton?
Positive.
Positive. What is the charge on an electron?
Negative.
Negative.
On a neutron?
Neutral.
Positive, negative.
Positive, negative?
Neutral, no charge.
Neutral, no charge, zero charge. Okay. What is the charge on an atom?
अगर electrons ज़्यादा होंगे तो negative, अगर protons ज़्यादा होंगे तो positive.
Think of it again. What is the charge on an atom? How much is the charge on an atom?
Positive.
Think about it again. Charge on an atom.
1.
Think about it. Zero. Charge on an atom is 0. Why? Why is it 0? Atom जैसे मैंने बोला, the charge is always 0. Why 0? Because always remember that the number of electrons is the same as number of protons. ये अगर 5 negative है तो यहाँ पे 5 positive है. तो integer -5 + 5 total कितना होगा?
0.
0. So always remember that the number of protons is the same as number of electrons. That's why हमारा एक atom हमेशा 0 charge का होता है. Is that clear?
Okay.
Atom has a charge of 0. Clear? Now, how do I make the atoms charged? कब charge होगा? कब एक atom charge हो सकता है? So when it can get charged only when there are the
friction
electrons are removed. Electrons वो क्यों होगा remove वो हम आगे discuss करेंगे कैसे हो सकता है remove. Okay, but when the electrons will get removed because protons कहाँ है? Protons is inside the nucleus. You can't remove it. उसको remove करना बहुत बहुत मुश्किल है. But what can remove easily is the electron. So अगर Aniket got disconnected. Okay, I'll just pause the recording for a moment. That first thing, now I have to make the atom charged. What do? I have to remove the electrons. So electrons remove करना है. अब अगर एक electron remove हुआ तो what happened? What has happened? See,
positive charge.
Pure maths. So what happens? Suppose I have a +5 protons. Okay, this was the number of protons, right? +5 होगा उसमें charge. And obviously, what I told you that the number of protons is the same as the number of electrons. So I'll have -5 electrons. But what happened? One electron went off. चला गया कहीं पे.
Positive charge. Positive.
कहीं पे चला गया, right? तो अब इसके ऊपर कितना charge हो जाएगा? This is still +5, but यहाँ पर कितना हो गया? -4 हो गया. एक electron चला गया. One electron just went off. अब overall charge कितना हो गया? There's a +1
positive
charge.
one.
Extra charge रह गया. Are you getting my point? It's maths, pure maths here. So what happens that whenever there is a now this is not an atom anymore. It has become an ion. So ion can be two kinds. It can be positive ion or it can be a negative ion. When it is a positive ion, we call it as cation. When it's a negative ion, we call it as anion. Are you getting me? So then you see a lot of, just say for example, sodium. Sodium is Na, but sodium का atomic number कितना है? What is the atomic number of sodium? You can check. You don't have to remember. You can check.
$11.
11. Okay, so 11 का मतलब हुआ 281. This is what? This is the electronic configuration. So इसमें क्या होगा? There is an extra electron. This
negative one का charge होगा. Positive one का charge होगा.
This will go away. It is easy to remove this one than getting 7 more right? 7 more to make the shell complete. So one will go. So when one goes, it becomes +1. So that is why आप Na के ऊपर देखोगे हमेशा एक positive charge होता है. Now similarly chlorine, Cl. Chlorine का मुझे atomic number बताओ.
17.
17. So 17 का मतलब this will become 2,
2, 8, 7.
and
तो negative
7.
1 charge.
So then it can accept 1 electron, which means when it accepts 1 electron, that means there is how much of charge? There's 1 charge which is
-1.
negative. So which means what will happen?
It will gain 1 electron.
It will become negatively charged. So there is a
हाँ.
chlorine has a negative charge on it. So did you get this part? Sodium
हाँ.
and chloride. Clear हुआ ये? One is which one is cation? Which one is anion?
Cation, sodium, anion, chlorine.
Yeah. And why sodium became a cation?
Because it has a positive 1 charge.
And why did it? This positive charge is because of protons or because of the electrons?
Protons.
It is because the electrons were removed.
हाँ.
ये charge हमेशा याद रखना किसकी वजह से आ रहा है. It's not because that suddenly protons को कुछ हुआ. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Positive charge है, but it is happening because the electron which was in the outermost shell, it just went off. When it went off, so there is an extra charge which is in the nucleus which is still there. Got it? So how ions are formed? That now can I call this Na plus as an atom?
हाँ.
Can I still call it as atom? No, it's not an atom anymore. It has turned into an ion. Na with a positive charge has turned into an ion.
ठीक है.
Okay. All right. That's it for today.